Hello students, very good morning. Previous class we have discussed, that is our previous chapter, that is chapter number 4, power and exponents. Now as you know, half yearly is coming, so in this half yearly this chapter is also coming in chapter number 13, that is visualizing solid shapes. So till now chapter 4 is not over, but whatever half yearly is coming, that till that I have explained, means exercise, self practice 4A, that is coming in the half yearly. So I have already discussed. Now we have to discuss next chapter, because this chapter is also coming in the half yearly, visualizing solid shapes. You can say this is 3D shapes. In this chapter we have learned only 3D shapes. What is 3D shapes and what is property of, means how many faces, how many vertices and how many edges are there. These types of you have to learn. No need to do exercise of this chapter. Okay, only just whatever I will explain through the video definition, as well as I will explain one table. Just you have to learn that table, then you can answer of the question, whatever question will come in the half yearly. Okay, so just you see here, visualizing solid shapes. In visualizing solid shapes, two-dimensional shapes. First, this is the definition of two-dimensional shape. Already we know two-dimensional shapes which has only two dimensions, or you can say which has only length and breadth, is called 2D figure or two-dimensional figure or shapes. For example, triangle, rectangle, square, circle. These are called three-dimensional shapes. Sorry, two-dimensional shapes means triangle, square. These are in triangle height and breadth is coming. In rectangle also length and breadth is coming. Square also length and breadth, means you can say side into side. Side and side means all sides are equal, that is a square, but length breadth is there. And circle only length breadth is there. Okay, so these are called two-dimensional figure. Now three-dimensional figure or three-dimensional shape, a figure which has three dimensions, means length, breadth and height, or maybe in place of height sometimes depth will come. Okay, that's why I put here depth also. So which figure which has length, breadth and height, that is called three-dimensional figure or three-dimensional shape. For example, cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, prism, etc. These are called three-dimensional figure. Okay, so in this has three dimension. You can say this one is a three-dimensional figure. This one is a example of cylinder, means as a like cylinder. Or you can say this board is a cuboid. Cuboid means it has length, breadth and height. This one is called height, and breadth means thickness of this board, means whatever thickness is there, means that is called breadth. Okay, so you can take your room in your home, whatever your class, whatever study room is there. So in that study room you can say length is there, breadth is there and height, wall of height, that is called height of the wall, and that is height of cuboid, means your room may be cube or cuboid, like that shape is there. Okay, so in that we have to study about how many edges are there, how many faces are there and how many vertices are there. So we will discuss in the next video. Till now just I have explained basics of this chapter, and just you have to learn in this chapter. No need to do more, only learn table. Whatever I will explain in the table, just learn in the table, then for half yearly that is the enough. Okay, that's all.